Now for the next activity, you're going to have to compare units of time. Now to do this, you need to be able to convert between days and weeks and months and years. So I'm going to demonstrate a few of these in order so that you can convert them to help you with the next challenge. So we're going to start off by converting number of days into weeks. Now, this is what we should know. When we're turning days into weeks, we focus on the 7 times table because there are 7 days in 1 week. So if I know there are 5 weeks, I can multiply that by 7 to find out how many days that is. Now 5 multiplied by 7 is 35, which tells me, it says 25, 35, which tells me there are 35 days in 5 weeks. Now I'm given the opposite way around. I'm told there are 49 days. I need to turn that into weeks. But I can use the opposite operation here. I'm going to divide instead of multiplying. So I know that 49 divided by 7 is 7. So 7 weeks makes 49 days because 7 times 7 is 49. Right, now I'm given the number of weeks 12 and I have to work out how many days. So again, I can use my 7 times table and go the 7 times 12 is 84. So in 12 weeks, there are 84 days. Right, this time I'm going to convert from weeks into months and months into weeks. And for this, I need to focus on the 4 times table because there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So let's start looking at the table. If I'm given 4 months, to turn into weeks, I need to multiply by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 months is 16 weeks. Right, now I've got to do the other way around. So I'm given 20 weeks and I have to turn it into months. This time I'm going to divide it by 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 5 months is the same thing as 20 weeks. This time I'm given the amount of months, 7. I have to multiply by 4, which makes 28. So 28 weeks is the same thing as 7 months. Right, finally, we're going to be turning months into years and years into months. And this time we're going to focus on the 12 times table because there are 12 months in 1 year. So if I'm given the number of years, which is 2, I can multiply by 12, which is 24. So 2 years is the same thing as 24 months. This time I'm given the months, so I can use the opposite operation. So I can divide it by 12. There are 3 12s in 36, so 36 months is the same thing as 3 years. Finally, I've got 5 years. I'm going to multiply that by 12, which is 60. So 60 months is the same thing as 5 years. So those are the important skills that you need to be aware of in order to convert units of time.